Excellent, we've got a stream. Woohoo! Some kind of advert. Looks interesting. Try it free on Apple TV. Okay. Welcome. My name's Fraser Sharp, and today we begin Amber Rogue. Wow. Finally. Development. As you can see, we're on Windows 10. What a novel place to be. Yeah, bring you dingling away. So this is the intro. We've done all the hard work. We've got all the code. It's just putting it all together. Now, Windows 10 is an operating system that has its own baggage, just like all the other operating systems nowadays. We are going to find it very easy to program on here, though. It's usually not too bad. Saying that, we'll find out. What do we need? Well, we need to go back to the beginning. And start pulling all the code together. For anyone that wasn't here this morning, we did finalise and sort out the problem from yesterday's stream. So we do have a full output in 3D. We have a 3D GUI. So we won't be using any of that cobbler's two-dimensional GUI that Windows offers. Alright. Beats me why I can do it in 8 days. And all the operating systems are still using two-dimensional. And I've done it on Linux and Mac OS so far. So what system will we be using for Amber Skies? Amber Rogue. Well, I guess the one that we can use. I've checked it out. I've been given clearance to use it. It said not more than 5 people working on it or having Visual Studio. As I think I only have 2 currently. Amber Skies is okay now, we've got a Mac. So let's create a new project. Let's go with .NET. Start from scratch. C++ for Windows. No, thank you. Oh, that sounds good. We'll have one of these. This C++ one here sounds like my kind of thing. Let's have that one. Next. We'll call it. Yeah. Amber Rogue. Yeah, that looks good. Problem is, I need a D directory. I can't do the C. It's not my directory. There we go. Does that D already? What have we got in there? Let me just check the directory that it's got. DAOC repos. All Alright, well this is saying source repos. Oh, knock on the door. Let's go and find out what that is. Interesting. I don't know. Oh, God. Glad I got a cup of coffee here, God. Amber Oak, D. Yeah, we don't need source in there. I'll just take it in my normal repos, thank you. Solution name, project name. Yeah, I'm happy. Create. Creating project. Bada. Alright, so it's F5. F5, press it. Build started. Build done. We get a console. Isn't that nice? Lovely. So that's hello world done. That was easy. This I don't like. Right, so that's better. I can understand that. Let's have a look at the screens and size it up a little bit. What beautiful screen. That's okay. I can't do anything about that. Okay. Just looking through whatever they've given me. Alright, I'm okay with that. What does this do? Window position. Auto hide. Oh, thank you. We can do really without that lot, can't we? Main function program execution begins here. Yeah, okay, I know that. Thank you. It's very kind of you. Do we need IO stream? Really? No. It does break the rules by not returning something. Return 1 will do. 0. That's the U done. Let's go with std IO instead. Okay, IntelliSense doesn't work that way. std IO. Which one? It's that one. Yeah, that'll do. That'll give me printf. and it's just our normal starter really. So no, don't need that. /T. Welcome to Amber Rogue. I've got to get used to the name now. There we go. Fantastic. There's our program. Let's see if ours does any better than theirs. Time to compile. Oh, not too bad. There we go. That's what we've got. Alright, so everything's looking okay there. Now, what are we going to need? We are going to need some dooberries. Yeah, them. So let's have a look at our directory structure. What do we have? D. So it's in repos and it's called Amber Rogue. No, it's not. It's in the other repos. Where is? Oh, where's it gone? This is what I don't like about D users. Oh my god. Okay. DAC and it says repos with a small, but it's here. Okay, we've got a solution. Oh, fantastic. It's in a different... Yes, perfect. That's what I wanted. Fantastic. We're okay. Because what I need to do is just go up one level. I don't like it being the same on both. Oh. Take with it, who cares? Keeps the debug folder out there. Okay, we'll go with new folder. We'll have deps. New folder, resources. Is that a good place to put it? No, it's not. Amber Rogue, we have to put resources in here. What happened there and why has it done it? Oh god. It's just taking the Michael, isn't it? That's better. Thank you. Alright, resources. Goes there. Let's have a look what else will we need. In resources, I'll have GLSL. I'll have models. And I'll have textures for now. Anything else I'm going to need? I think that's roughly about it. Oh, yes. New folder. A source folder. Is it SRC though on here? No, who cares? In the source folder we shall have core, OpenGL, Amber underscore math, graphical user interface, anything else I can remember? Not off the top of my head. No, that's looking okay. I can do the rest from inside, can't I? Right, there we go. So in source we need one file. Add new item, header file. Now I just want to, how do I do it just from there? Oh god, don't know. Common, capital C. That's the header file that we'll have. That solves that problem. That's everything. Yes, it is for now. Yeah, that's looking okay. Looking at GitHub, we need SDL2, glue GL, and CGLM. I think I might go with GLM this time because I'm using C++. Okay, SDL2. I've got a Visual C++. I don't want runtime, do I? I'll take that one. I'll take the VC zip. What's this got in it? Yeah, just extract. Get on with it. Thank you. Dun, dun, dun. Great. Well, thank you very much. Right, so we have a DLL, we have a lib, we have a 2 libs. Okay. Include files fine. What do I want OpenGLES for? Oh, it's got Vulkan. Woohoo! No, don't tempt me. Fine. I mean, the C works natively with C++, yeah. Is it possible to load this in static? Just get you out of the way a minute. Let's try VS 2019 SDL2 static include. You may not statically link SDL2 in most cases, okay. Uses zlib license, which means you can. Okay. We encourage you not to do this for various technical and moral reasons. Okay. Yeah, okay. We could build it. Fine. Looks like we use it the old-fashioned way. That's okay then. We'll just give you a skip a minute whilst we get STL2 sorted out. What we got in here? Right, that's easy enough. Rename. And I want that in wherever they put the rubbish. Next one up. Depths. Welcome to the project. We'll keep that open, I think. Alright, that's you done. Who else did we need? We need glue. Is that not already on? No, it's got GLU. I've got GL. Okay, fine. We're going to have that problem again, are we? Yes, we are. Okay. Next on the list is glue. Latest updates. GitHub pulls right, yep. Building installation, download. Glue is distributed as source and precompiled libraries. Binary. I don't care. There we go. Got it. I accept, whatever. Get on with it. Do your stuff. Do I have to click on something? In 5. Direct link. That worked. Well, thank you, whoever you were. Alright, what have we got here? We have a zip file, glue 2.10. Blah blah blah, lib. Release. x64. It's got static. That's fine. Alright, let's do this one then. Alright, first of all, let's clean it up. Why does it keep going to extract? Ah, right, okay. Thank you. Rename. To glue. Lib. Release x64. I'll take you, please. Copy. Now, how did I used to do this? Yes, I know how to do it, yeah. It's okay. Paste. That's alright then. Include, yeah. GL. That's why I was looking for it under GL. Yeah, that's fine. pop that in, I think. Where are you? SDL2. That's glued on. Lovely. Next up. This is easy enough. I thought today was going to be difficult. Not really. There's the chat room. I found the chat room as well. I can chat to you now. Hello all. There you go. How's about that? GL, we've got GLM. Alright, let's have GLM. OpenGL, GLM, API documentation, downloads. Okay. Alright, GLC, yeah, blah blah blah. Isn't this just headers only? Yes, it is. That's good. Man pages, blah blah blah. Git repository. Let's go to downloads. .998. That's one it's got at the top of the page, so that's the one I'm going to have. Wait for it, come on. You can do it. Good God. Just waiting on verification from Windows. Oh, thank you. GLM. Extract all. Why so much? I know it's a maths library, but even my maths libraries aren't this big. Oh well, got some coffee. Hooray, they actually put it in the right thing. GLM. Right, that's all I need. Docs test util. Okay. GLM. Pop you in. There we go. You're done. Manual readme. Yep. Okay. Right, that's all that lot. Oops, didn't mean to do that. What else did I want? Let's see if VS 2019 doxygen. Visual Studio. Okay, let's have a look for that. Extensions. Manage extensions. Let's have a look at Doxygen. Automated creation production. Oh, we've got another door knock. It's gonna be a door knocker of a day. Did I just say that? Visual Studio extension to provide integral use of the Doxygen documentation generator. Okay, let's try that. And that. Okay, close. Close. Save. Doobie-doobie-dum-dum. Yes, welcome to Windows. Lots of them. Lots of windows, not much progress. Right, hopefully this will give us what I'm after. Waiting for downloads. This is always the intro with Visual Studios, unfortunately. All right. Let's grab ourselves back our lovely, lovely, lovely program. It does a lot. Okay. Background tasks are still running. Always ignore. Okay, fine. Add to source control. Yeah, we haven't decided on that. Is this going public? Not sure. Okay, it's not there. One-click docs. Oh, yes, here it is. One-click docs, Doxygen wizard. Could not find a part of the path. Okay. How do we get part of the path? Oh god, how did this work now? You have to actually start it from the command line. I'll work that out. I'll get to it when I get to it. So, what have we got so far? Right, we've got the list of things, haven't we? That we've done. SDL2, glue glob, glue glob, all the rest. They are all in our solution. So here we go. And I haven't got a clue which one it is. I think it's properties at the bottom. Looks good. Looks good. Let's go for all configurations. Let's go for 64-bit. Let's see what we can do. Output directory is going to be in the solution directory. No thanks. That's not a good idea. Now, how are we going to do this? Normally I have a build directory, don't I? Output directory, don't like that. Let's go with build. Cancel. I didn't look at what I was doing, I just reacted. Thank you. I would have cocked that up. Trailing backslash. Alright, they're all the wrong way around as well, aren't they? I don't care. I'm going to call it the build directory. This can be slash build slash BUILD. And it's intermediate, isn't it? There we go, that's you done. Target name, project name, yeah. exe, yeah. Latest version. Ooh. Default, what's default? We should really be using 17. Okay, so we'll apply that lot. Alright, advanced. Don't really care. Debugging. Not bothered. I am not putting it in there. Right, C++, linker. Preprocessor, that was it. Ah, damn, there's different options. Okay, let's have a look at debug. We've got debug console. And I want to add here at the beginning of this one, glue static. Underscore static. Semicolon. And what was the maths one? Doesn't matter. Or does it? It might do. I think that starts with an underscore. Can't remember. Never mind. That's your preprocessor for glue static. That's why I was looking at the ones for static linking. Optimization. No. General. Additional include directories. Okay. Macros, please. Thank you. Wow, this is big. Bigger than it used to be. Dollar. So it's going to be dollar. Is it just a bracket? God, it's hard to see on here. Dollar bracket solution. Is it just dir or do I need directory? How many of these are there? Solution dir. Okay, let's see if we can spell it properly. Tiondir. Then it's, no, that's close but not quite biscuit. There we go. And then it's whatever. Amber Rogue. It's depths. DEPS /. Which one goes first? SDL2. Yeah. SDL2 / include. But I think it's got a capital I on it. No, it doesn't. Include. Right, that gives me that one. Take the first part, copy. Wrong button, I've been on the Mac. V. Next one on is glue. Glue. And that's lowercase include. Yeah, that's right. Okay, done. Next one. GLM. GLLM. Hopefully we don't have to do anything stupid here. That doesn't help. It's just depths. For GLM. Control V. Depths. There we go. Done. Right, so that's that side done. Okay. Thank you. Warning level 3. Good. Should treat warnings as errors, but I got a feeling we might get through a couple from the libraries. Multiprocessor compilation. Yes. Alright. Optimization, don't care. Preprocessor code generation. Linker. Well, let's have a look what we've got on linkers today. In general, we've got version. Interesting. Okay. Alright, so additional library directories. Edit. Oh god, we've got this one again, haven't we? Okay, I know it's dollar solutions. Dollar, open bracket, solution directory, close bracket. Oh, Red Hat developers, hello. I've been invited again, have I? Oh, thank you. Very kind. I better keep an eye on that, actually. Where can I keep an eye on it? Doesn't have to pop that up there for a minute. Let's have a look. Solution directory. Then it was... Actually, why don't I just do Control Dubry? And it does it for me, doesn't it now? V. There you go, deps. Right, who's first? SDL2 is going to be lib. And I forgot to pull the libs out. It's got a DLL. Okay, let's have a look at that lib again. Oh, I've got an x64 one. I have to do the right one. So I will copy you lot into the lib directory. Paste. So you can see that I've just copied my x64s into the lib directory. And we've got a DLL, which I'm also going to copy into the build directory. Okay, we've got to do you first, haven't we? Thank you. So that's SDL2 lib. /lib. Lovely. That's you done. Next is deps glue lib. Don't I have to put the actual libraries in here? Yes, I do. Why did it pick up on the SDL2 DLL? Oh God, what is it doing? That is not what I asked for. No, that has to be solution directory. Why did it do that? And it's put weirdo things on it. What the hell's going on here? No, I want everything in the correct, different way of doing things. I don't like doing it that way around because it naffs me up. Alright. Be happy with that for a minute. You know, this is just additional library directories. There aren't any for GLM. Correct. Rightio. That's okay then. That's all there is. Where's the actual libraries? Link library dependencies. Yes. Input. Ah, here we go. Yeah, can I have this one in edit mode? Thanks. Right, what are they giving us? Oh, lovely. We'll have to throw away some of those, maybe. That's fantastic. Well done, guys. We will need... Let's have a look. We will need the following libraries. Of course, yes, it does that, doesn't it? I guess. So I'm going to need... Who's first? SDL2. 2. .lib. Next, how do we get... do I just press return? Yes, I do. SDL2 main. Who else do we need? Nothing else in there. No, not for now anyway. Glue. Will be glue32s.lib. glue32s.lib, and we will need OpenGL32. OpenGL32.lib. I think that's what it is on here. Okay. I suppose we'll find out. Okay, apply. Okay. All right, finished. Good. Damn, you know what I didn't do? Just put all that lot in. Debugs. Yeah, thank God for that. Okay. Unrecognized option. Build intermediate amber. Can it open file SDL2 main.og? What? Right, okay. Where's our build directory? Don't tell me you can't even do that. Why have I got a debug? Debug x64, debug x64. Configuration properties general. / then. Project. Yeah. $open project dir capital letter. I'm not having this. A load of rubbish. Copy to here. Okay, apply. Little whirly swirly thingies. Okay. Right. Hopefully, we should be able to do this now. Just in case. New folder. Build. Okay. Back here under depths, I spotted a DLL, didn't I? Yeah, SDL2 DLL. Copy. Amber Rogue build. Put you in there just in case you need it. You might do. I'll just keep that open for a second. Alright, can I just have a build on this? Build, here we go. Build solution. Can I open file? SDL2 main. Can you get rid of debug? And can we have build, please? Thank you. That's correct. That's correct. SDL2.main. Why is it asking for that one? It's in the linker. Surely. Have I done it wrong? Alright, I've got lowercase SDL2. Let's just have a look at my dependencies. SDL2. Lib. It's capital SDL2. Don't do that. main .lib. God, you have to be so eeky with these things at times. Apply. Okay. Little blue swirly thing. Hooray. Can I open file glue32s.lib? That's on the linker. And that's in depths. Glue lib. Glue32s.lib. It's the correct name. I think that might be the answer. It was messing me about in here and it put me off, didn't it? GLEW. Okay. Apply. Okay. Please don't keep modifying my stuff and just let me type in what I want. And get rid of little blue round thingies. Thank you. Build. Right. Can I open file sdl2.lib? It's trying my patience, and it's got these swirly thingies keep going on. What's going on? What's wrong with this linker today? No, just type it all in and it works. Je ne comprends pas. Okay. Depths sdl2/lib. Depths sdl2/lib. And it couldn't do sdl2.lib. Really? Debug x64 run program should be fine. But no. Can I open file? I put the DLL in, didn't I? Or does the DLL need to be in intermediate? Oh, I know what I didn't say. That's why there. Why isn't the why isn't that working? Update, will you? What's wrong with this X evaluated value? Oh, for God's sake. It won't evaluate it. That's because there's a spelling mistake in it. The I and the O are wrong. That's it. We got it. Thank God for that. Typos. Oh, we've got blue circly thingies to wait for. Oh, thank you, Windows. There we go. Done. Right. After all of that, we've got everything out of the way. We've even got a DLL in there. Wow, that's good for me. There is something I didn't set there, and that was the CWD. That's probably because I didn't see it. I had a look at MFC. It looked interesting. Not there. Okay. RBK. Is there not an all one? All options. Control flow. Where's current working directory specified? Working. It's not in here. All options. Work. Swap run from network. No, it's not in here. Interesting. Have they taken it out? Nah, there's nothing I can see in this lot. Never mind, we'll just hope and pray that it uses Amber Rogue as a current working directory. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to find anything. SY system. Hash include IO stream. I need your information, please. System. There it is. Oh, it's tab, is it? I like the way IntelliSense gives up on you. DIR. No, just DIR. That'll do. Do I have to save this every time? Control S gives me nothing. It says Control S, but it's not working. Great. For God's sake. Alright, that's the current working directory. It's got resources in it. That's all I need to know, is that it's got resources in it there. Thank you. We're all set. And that, believe it or not, is exactly how we start doing this. What we now need is an archives folder. And we can put it in here. So add new folder. Make sure it says new folder, by the way. Just call it archives. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Oh, that was big. Whoa, it's way too big. Why is that full screen? Close. I don't want the new version. Which machine am I on? Okay, that one. So it is this PC D users repos Amber Rogue archives. Let's take Metal Rogue, download you. Thank you. Let's also find ourselves a Sand Rogue and download you. I do want one piece out of Modern Metal as well, so I'll download you. There we go, all downloaded. Project files are safe. What I wanted to do is have a look in the archives. Under Metal Rogue. I did this. Is that the same? Yeah, it is. I'm not sure of that lookout feature. Alright, that's fine. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure whether we should just include stdio.h instead. It'll let us, won't it? Yes, it will. You don't need the include for printf, by the way, if you're wondering. So we have source common.h. This is why I wanted doxy Jenny thingy. Oh, it does need it. All right. We can come out of there, I think. That's going to confuse the hell out of me if I keep that open. Don't need you open anymore. Intermediates are working, and the build structure is working. Don't need any Swift. And let's see, common.h. It's going to be the same, really, isn't it? Oh, we were using async, were we? Ooh, forgot about that. There we go. Async, please. Can we have that? I'd forgotten all about that. Oh my god. Alrighty, let's get back to depths then, and async. Don't want that for now. That's out of date then. Oopsie daisy. Never mind. Sorry. Bing. Do I have to get the source code? Installer for Windows. Why is it giving me source code? Okay, let's have a look. See what they're giving me. Oh god, I got an update for FileZilla. Ding. Just extract it, get on with it. Whiz. Be here all day. Literally. I've only got 1.5 hours. Come on, get on with it. So you thought programming was hard. Well, I'm sorry, it's not. It's all about waiting for these things. And I've got my screen on the wrong side. Oh, that's better. I can see the chat channel now. Yes, we're on Windows and it's wonderful. I always love the intro day because this is all I do. Literally all day. Async. Blah, 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 blah. Who should we have? Visual Studio, you'll do. Go for it, why not? creadme.md. Okay. Ah, here we go. Bindings, yep. Check latest. Yep. Yes, I know about the mesh post-processing tools. Thank you very much, but they are brilliant. It does OBJ, so we're happy. Oh, the model view, yeah. Alright. Right, okay. Yeah. Great. So we have a simp. I do love it when a plan doesn't come together. So, hope everybody's doing okay on this fine Wednesday afternoon. It looks as though it's going to take me longer than expected. Oh, it's a VC PKG. I'm not sure I want to do that though. Okay. Alright, so we're going to have to make this, aren't we? Where should we start? I guess it's going to be in some folder far, far away. Okay. So we have a simp. Found it. That one. Copy. Where shall we put you today? We shall put you in users repos. Paste. Oh god. It's doing one of these things again. Hey look, we can draw hills. Okay, that's you done. How do I open this? Open no. Actually, opening Visual Studio would do it. No, one code would. Yeah, we'll go with code. Ah, fantastic. Code's just gone into download session. Oh, thank you. Alright. Alright, good. What does it want from me? It would like me to write cmake lists.txt. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Sorry, keep it on screen for you lot. Here we go. Got it on screen. Looks like it. Get you out of the way. Hiya, Seppi. How's it going, matey? Let's see what happens if I do that. CMake is not recognized as an internal X or external command. Well, whoopee-doos. Are you telling me I haven't got CMake? Got Blender. Nope. I don't use CMake on this system. Just close that a minute. It has to be closed for me to do this. Stupid. CMake is a download of its own. Ching. Yes, I'm putting windows together. Download. That'll do. Don't you just love it, Seppi? Every time I come onto Windows, how long has this stream been going? It's just download after download after download and question marks here. Next. I accept. Please put it on my D drive. Do not add CMake to the system path. Yes, add CMake to the system path for all users. Create a desktop icon. Next. Please put it in D, not C. It's alright, I'm trying to video as much of this hassle as I can. Install. Yes. And the screen goes blank. Thank you. Windows 10 should not want me to restart. Because if it does, I will scream blue murder. Right, we've got you now, haven't we? Where was the users repos? Yep. And we'll be using code. Go. Could not locate zlib. Well, why did you tell me you brought your own? One day, close solution. We didn't get very far, did we? Open a project or solution. Great. This PC, please. D. Users. DAOC. Oh god. Repos. Asimp. All build project, I guess. I would like the debug variation, please. Possible loss of data. Really? Possible loss of data. Possible loss of data. Great. We're possibly going to lose data, people. Ain't that great? Don't use the Blender straight files because you will lose data then. It doesn't work properly. I can never understand why. Because it is a format that is freely available. The blend. A .blend file. It's the same as another file format and I can't remember what it's called. Mind you, I can't remember a lot of things, so who cares? Well, this is compiling so far, but I've got a horrible feeling it's going to get to the linker and gurgle to a stop. And the core temperature on my machine has just hit skyrocket. What on earth? What's it doing to me? I'm up to 80 degrees. What is it using my GPU for? Oh no, this is just a processor, isn't it? Oh my god. Intel Core i7 8700 Coffee Lake. Cook eggs on it. Access denied. Okay, good. Done. I think. Right, we should be able to salvage from this, hopefully. Close solution. Amber Oak. Right, we're back. We need to get Asimp into here. Right, where is Asimp now? Don't you just love Windows? It's here. What have we got in here now? I only want the lib and the include. So the include's got Asimp. All the stuff, yeah. And the lib's got debug, which is all I've asked for. I've got VC142 MTD. Which one do I need? Bring back Linux. All is forgiven. That's a lib. That's a lib. That's a lib. Ah, wait a minute. Yeah, it's got the D on it. Yeah. What's MT stand for? Okay, let's try .mtd. Okay, let's try that again. .mtd. Making tax digital, government UK? No, I don't think that's what it is. I think this is taking the piss. Champagne. There we go, we're having that one. It's got champagne attached to it. I have got to the stage where I don't care now. So, I want to rename you to Asimp. I want to copy you into Amber Rogue, Depths, this will be a genius if it works. What's going on? Windows, what's going on? So we now have Asimp. Let's add it. Let's add Asimp and all its files and all its glory. Properties, debug x64, C++. Edit. I'll borrow you a minute. And it's Depths. So what have you been up to, Sappy? Out and out. Depths, Asimp. I've been driving myself mental trying to get all of the dependencies ready for this to go live tomorrow. Include directories will be /include. Okay. Stop it, you squiggly lines. Now under linker, we can edit this lot. That didn't work for some reason. And it's Depths. It's not SDL2 anymore. It's Asimp. And it's going to go for a lib. And it's going to be a debug lib. Okay. Well, we're in the debug, so yeah, stuff it, I'll do it that way. Capital D-E-B-U-G. That should do it. There we go. Input. Edit. This is where we get strange thingy to place in here, which is Asimp. VC142. mtd.lib. That's what it's giving me. That's what it's getting. Okay, apply, okay. Why are none of these working? Hash include open brackets SDL nothing. Well, it's here. Why is SDL2 not showing up? S. I've got nothing. Huh? Is it one of these where I have to restart the project or something? GL / nothing. No glue. I've not come across this before. Solution directory depths SDL2 include. That would take me to depths SDL2 include. I should just be able to do SDL2 on it. I don't need the first part. Common. We're up to the include. Don't put SDL2 in, it's just SDL.h. Did you know that, Seppi, did you know that SDL did Vulkan now? Interesting. I'm not quite understanding why headers aren't working. This is going to cause a problem. Probably. Okay, let's have a look at that async one. Depths. Async. Include. And then it's async. And they're here. GL. And then glue. It's actually picked up GL, GL.h, but not GL, GLEW.H. Oh dear. Can I open source file? No, they're not source. Oh. Visual Studio, why are you such a pain? Come on, Seppi. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. I don't want to put them in here. This is a problem I'm having. It's supposed to take it straight from here. Oh, I can see one problem right now. Yeah. Every single one of them's got a spelling mistake in. Why? It's I-O-N. Will you please stop making me change this? I know I've got dyslexia, but this is getting fucking annoying. Solution. Got it all working, and then it's changed it back to Salutoin. Very nice of it. Right, they're all correct. Okay. Apply. Okay. Yay! CGLM is the only one it can't find. Has to be one, doesn't there? That's because we're not using CGLM. We're using a GLM. Which comes under GLM.H. Is it? Yeah. No? GLM. GL. Oh, it's HPP. Sorry. Of course, why should I forget that? Right, we have everything, it would seem. Hooray! We've got a common file. Ah, and it's still whizzing about on there. Save all, save all, save all projects. Don't you dare ever. Where's save all project? It doesn't have one. Oh, did you know you can do live shares on here? Oh, I've got a live shares button. How does that work? Gives me a blue circular thing and then goes blonk. Live share is currently in the auto connection mode that improves performance for collaborators on the same network by accepting incoming secured connections when sharing. There you go, Seppi, if you want to do something. Let me know. We're on, oh God, what's next? Invitation link copy to clipboard. Send it to anyone you trust or click more info to learn about secure sharing. Okay, we'll just close you for a minute. Oh, live shares come up on the left-hand side. Oh, wow. Get rid of all this garbage now that's in my screen. We've done it, folks. We have managed to get it set up. It's 2:15. I think I've done that in record time today. How long's this stream now? 2 hours. Yeah, that's about right. 2 hours to set it all up with all of its dependencies. And it should now be able to run. No. Our simp blew up. SDL main reference. I've had that one before as well. We don't need SDL main. I'm going to take it out for now. It's that one there. Yeah, I'm not bothered about the rubbish. Can I open file sdl2.libb? How many bleeding mistakes did I make in this 2-hour mark? Can we just get on with it? No? Unresolved external symbol main referenced in function int cdecal invoke main void. Oh. Right. Interesting. What can I use? What can I use? Sunrogue. You'll do. Interesting. It doesn't use it. Do people actually know what this error means? Invoke main void. Invoke main at yahxz. msvcrtd.lib. That's the C runtime. Wow. I've got a C runtime error. What with that? I've got a hash define main, SDL main, expands to SDL main. Don't like that. The C runtime isn't working. And it's on that hash define. So it's SDL main. Interesting. I've never had this many problems with this ever. It's ridiculous. I've got to be careful with this now. Who goes first? If I put sdl2 main.lib in, it's not going to be able to load up the DLL, is it? Anybody else have these kind of problems with Windows? Hey! Da-da-da-da-da! Don't ask. It's working now. What did I do? I don't know. Ah dear, I just opened one of my old files and it works. That is fantastic. I like this game. This game works. Well, I've earned a cup of coffee. I don't care about anybody else. Oh, we've dropped 3 frames. What the hell is going on today? Yeah, I don't advertise. So if you get adverts, it's not me. I don't try and earn money on this. If people want to support me, then I will improve the stream. But that's about it. That's okay. Bitrate's fine. It's a bit jumpy though. What the hell's gone on with that? They changed, my ISP changed this morning. I'm going to phone them and find out what the hell they've done. Because it seems to be jittery. Are we able to get music on here? We'll soon find out how jittery this is. So something's wrong. What's happening, folks? Is there something happening out there in the world that I don't know about? All my links are dying. God damn it. Unread notifications. No, it's just skip frames. It doesn't matter with what I do. Stuff it then. I am having a goddamn cup of coffee. And we have, at long last, got our setup for Amber Rogue, the first installment, version 1. Ah, lovely. Apologies for that. But I really need a cup of coffee. Windows 10, here you are. You lovely, lovely creature. What if I get a window up? There it is. Now you know why I write down the screen, not across. Right, so this is looking like an SDL window setup to me. And it's called Sand Window 3D. Okay. So under our OpenGL, I can add new item. Yay! Header file. How awesome is this? Yeah. Amber. It's going to be Amber Window. A 3D is the final name. Are we going to use namespace? No. No, we're not. Right. So this becomes Amber. SDL window, sand, no. Amber. Yep. I'm just wondering whether I can leave that out there floating or not. Yes, I can. Ah, problem. Source common won't work, will it? Include directory. Properties. You know what I forgot to do? Additional include directories, because it's usually included for you. And that is solution directory. And this time I spelt it right. dir / for once it's not depths, it is Amber Rogue itself. Okay. Apply. Okay. Thank you. Now you work. Now you're all green. Oh, thank you. You're so polite to me when I put the right damn thing in. So we're only doing the 2. Fair enough. Alright, let's pop in here then. OpenGL. Let's pop in. Add. New item. C++ file. Wow. C++, how advanced are we getting now? We've done C, we've done Swift, we've done Metal, we've done OpenGL. What can we do next? Vulkan? Do you want me to do Vulkan? You never know, I might. I am likely to. So it's Amber, Window 3D. Nothing's going on here. Nothing at all. There we go. Come here. Blah blah blah. 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 Blah 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 blah. Blah. Or something like that. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear me. So let's change it over to Amber here. That might help. Amber here. That might help. I don't have a window title, a window width, or a window height. In C++, you should put them in here. And why doesn't it recognize this? Oh, of course. Ding. Change that over to Amber. It's me being dodgy. Where have we gone? Amber. Change you over. And Amber. Okay. So it's just it defines window title, window height, and window width. And we have no defines. And go on, let's have a couple of defines. Hash define. Window. Title. I think we will have that as, yeah, why not, Amber Rogue. And this is version 1. Version 1.0 alpha. Interesting enough. Why don't hash defines look right? That's why. Doxygen was getting a bit over entertaining there. Hash define window width. We'll have that at 900 as usual. I think that's a good enough number for it. And we'll have a hash define for window height as well. I'll take 500 on that. And I think we'll be okay. Okay, save all. looking like a good enough start for me. And then all we have to do is call it, of course. This is going to be a waste of time doing it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, why not? Let's have a look at main. Okay. I think we've got rid of most of this now. We did those two. On the Mac. Oh, Seppi, good news. On the Mac. Don't let me forget. Metal Rogue. I was a bad boy this morning. A very bad boy. I fixed it. We have 3D text. Level, gold, HP, strength, arm, XP, test message, all boom shakalaked this morning. There was an offset being created by an append, so I've changed it to an insert. So that all happened because add to rendering, oh no it wasn't, it was create the entity, wasn't an insert. All because that had to be changed to insert. And it was like, dar. So yeah, that was great. I completely enjoyed that, and I think everybody should have that experience of what it did to me. But that's all done. Yeah, we've got some C source code here, haven't we? I should really type out what true is, shouldn't I? Yes, and I should also get the right mouse button back. So it's a pling 123% D. People don't know why I do this. It's because I never know what the hell value each machine's going to bloody give me. Let me just run that and work out what true is. There's a comment just at the bottom there. It's 1. 1 on this system is true. That's good news for us because it means we're okay. There was an output there that I didn't like. QML debug disabled, non-Qt MS build project. Good. At least it knows. There's no error lists. Oh yes there are. Oh god. I've forgotten about these. libcmt conflicts with the use of other lib. Use / no default lib : library. You are taking the... Okay. I knew that would happen. Which library is it? You little git. It's every single time. I'll have a copy of that. Give me my properties. Linkers, isn't it, if I remember? Or is it? Default libs, where are you? You're not there. I think you're in the linker. I can ignore all default libs. Tells a linker to remove one or more default libraries from the list of libraries it searches when resolving external references. Let's apply that and see what happens. It's the error list I'm trying to get down. Ah, right. No, that takes out the CRT. I see. Can't do it that way then. What the hell's all this crap? Cancel. I really do hate things like this. They give you a default lib and it's rubbish. That's great. Right, we're okay. We're getting there. It's exiting with code 0. We're disabled Qt, we're okay. Is the linker. Okay. Alright, we're getting the window up, that's good. Is unscoped. Prefer enum class over. Oh. What is this? C268112. C268112. What do I know about that? Let's have a look. It doesn't come up on a warning of 2, but I can't go down to a warning of 2, not on the final. Arithmetic overflow using operator plus and a 4-byte value and then casting the result to an 8-byte value. That's not an overflow, that's an underflow. Cast the value to a wider type before calling operate. Am I going to fix these? These aren't mine. That's types.h. Those aren't mine. Yeah, these are all AI reports. That's ASIMP. And SDL has them as well. Right, link 4099 PDB VC120 PDB was not found with glue32s.lib. I know it wasn't because I didn't put it there. Because I didn't get 32SD. Linking object as if no debug info. Thank God for that, because that's exactly what I want you to do. I'll have to look at the other ones. I'm not prepared to show you what I do with them. I may fix them, but that's my choice. Right. So I've still only got a few warnings, which are just blah-de-blahs. Alright. What can we do here? SDL underscore window, I suppose. Does it come up? No. It won't come up. Okay. I'll just pop you down a bit. Right, core. Main game loop.h. Main game loop.h. We shall add. Now I'm not sure if that will include or not the window. It should. No. And I haven't got my Doxygen up. Combat doesn't, input doesn't, floor tile doesn't, rendering might. No, I haven't a clue. Oh, for God's sake. Bloody open when I click on you. SDL window comes through here, so it must have something joining in the OpenGL. I need to run that again, don't I? Yes, I do. I need to run that again. Right, that's fine. come back to you. Hash include. It's going to be source. And it's going to be OpenGL. And it's going to be... No, don't do that on me. I've got to tab now, have I? No. How do I get it to it? Down? Yeah, got it. Jesus. Fine. I'm doing well. Honest. STL window. We have STL window? We do. Woohoo! Oh, you don't do it that way. Okay, forget it. Window. I'll get used to it. Star. Window. Equals. Amber. Underscore. Window. Create. Semicolon. How's about that then? Did I do good? I'll ignore that for the moment. Okay. There we go. And all we have is amber window. Isn't it nice when you know what you're doing? Because you've already programmed it once. Destroy, please. And that'll be the window. Yay. All works nicely. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Are you ready for this? Are you waiting for the flash on the screen, everybody? Will it happen or will it crash? It happened. I saw it. We have a go on the window. Not only that, OpenGL version is 3.3. Yes, boom shakalak. With a profile context of 27.2. Yeah, shove that in your pipe and smoke it with something else there. Yeah. Graphics card. It's working. We have OpenGL, we have everything. In 2 lines of code. Yeah, well, heck. Always was a sucker for punishment. Okay. Over to our main game loop, I think. Yeah. So under core, I will add a new item. What did I put in there? I'll put a CPP file in. Never mind. I'll have the header file in. Doesn't matter. Irrelevant. Main game loop. I wish all games were as... Oopsie daisy. Wish all games were as easy as this to do. It's just that they're not. Alright, so in the main game loop, guess how many functions there are? 1. Let's have a look at it. Alright. So there's our includes. Actually, no, that's not our includes at this point in time. There's our include. That's the only thing we need. It's asking for a shader. Yeah, that's okay then. I wrote it specifically to be in that kind of format. So that's just going to be Control V, up to // Can't have an SDL window. Main game loot.h. Pop you in there. Oh, don't get off my screen. You. Will that be fine or not? Was that my dingling? Oh god, it was. Alright, we're coming to the end of this today, unfortunately. So, how did that go? Let me just finish this off, I suppose. Close that. Yeah. Hash include source. And we are now in the correct files. And this is working nicely. Thank you. Fantastic. Save all. And I have to do a quick rundown now because I am expecting deliveries. So this will be picked up tomorrow. I'm going to go and have a look at that error list of stupid link errors, which are really not link errors. It is as simple as that. I need CPP up as well, please. Thank you. There we go. And you just copy that over and it does it for me. There we go. Avoid, yeah, that's okay. There we go. We're up and running. We have everything we need to start the project. We have all of our dependencies, and that is lovely. I'm quite chuffed at that. That's not bad for an opening day. I'm going to put that down as today's intro. Obviously, this will all get saved up, but I won't be going through everything that I do, but I will be going through as much as I can on stream. I think that's only fair. And I've got a very bad connection today and you're getting poor quality bit rates. And it says excellent here. Has it changed my goddamn stuff? Right, I'm going to go and have a look at my internet and sort that out as well. So I'll do that first. So take care until tomorrow. And what are we on tomorrow? Thursday. Yeah, I'm here tomorrow. Take care. And in the meantime, I'm going to fiddle about with this and get everything up and running fully. And you lot